It's so warm, Mummy.
I know, but I suppose we should go to school really, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
I think I've made it very clear in the past that I am not a fan of radiators. So when I was doing this, my first self-build, top of my priority list was to become a radiator eliminator. So of course I was going to go for underfloor heating, but I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who recommended WMS for their system because it has been such a smooth ride from start to finish. Now, the lack of ugly radiators, which also take up lots of precious space, was just the tip of the iceberg when it came to choosing underfloor heating. But I still have really traumatic memories of my daughter touching a hot rad as a baby. But let me talk you through all the other factors in case you're toying with the idea of having it. As you would expect, I'm always wanting to be as green as possible. This is the main reason I went for an air source heat pump, which works brilliantly with underfloor heating and is worth thinking about with the government legislation to ban boilers from 2025. It was also comforting to know that the pipe WMS uses is made from a plastic called PERT. Apparently this is completely recyclable and doesn't contain any of the toxins which cause so much damage to our planet. One thing I've learned through my research is just how dirty radiators are, and they circulate it via convection heating. Now it's not only gross, but it's more serious for people with allergies. Now you don't have that same problem with underfloor heating because they use radiant heat. The amount of space I've saved from not having rads has been awesome. But more importantly, I am a complete reptile. I'm always cold, but I don't want to use more than my fair share of energy. So the fact that underfloor heating gives you this lovely even temperature all the time just gives me this warm, fuzzy feeling inside and out.